how to blur out faces and even number plates on your Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, it really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to select the right tool. So I am going to select the marquee tool because these are best for the job. So you have to select the elliptical marquee tool for the faces and rectangular marquee tool for the number plates. So I'm going to go with the select elliptical marquee tool because the level or the work is the same, or the procedure is same for the both, so I'm not going to make any changes. So I have to select this area, and as I select this area, I have to make sure it is not selecting. Okay, I have to change the feather to 0, and then I'm going to select the area. As I've selected the area, now I have to go to filters and then go to blur and then go to Gaussian blur. Now this is the complete Gaussian blur, so I have to make sure it goes down to a point where the Gaussian blur is not visible at all. So at this point, this Gaussian blur will not make the number plate visible. So then I hit OK, and this is how you can blur out the number plates and also the faces on Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.